Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Man. In this video, let me show you how you can add text behind objects in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's start by going to the effects on the top part of your screen. Then click this button right here to open up other options. Then click on titles. Just drag it on the top of your video. Click on your text and input the text you like on the right corner. Then duplicate your video by pressing Alt and drag the video on the top of your text. Select the clip on the top and click on Fusion below. Then hold Ctrl and press space, and this prompt will show up. On the search bar over here, just type in Magic Mask, then click Add. You will notice that your cursor become a dropper. Just click a line for your subject on the video. Then on the right side, go over and click the double arrow button. This may take a while, but after that, you can head back to the Edit tab and you will see that the text is now behind your object. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.